Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna show how to unlink Facebook and Instagram. First of all, go to your Facebook profile, then click on this edit details, and now click on this pencil icon here, and then click on contact and basic information, and here you'll get your Instagram account. Simply click on this pencil icon here, and after that you have to remove your Instagram ID from this box. So I'm removing it. Here we can see my Instagram name has been removed from here. Then click on save, and after that, if I go to my Facebook profile again and refresh the page, and here we can see Instagram has been unlinked from my Facebook profile. That's it for now. If you benefited a little from this video, then make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you.